Hi there, folks. This is Margaret Klein coming to you live from 1500 Surfside Boulevard here in Merritt Island. And the first thing I want to do is give a big shout out to Kate Flack with LPT Realty, as she is the listing agent. She was kind enough to allow us to do this amazing video here. I am going to get us inside before I start talking a whole lot more because it's a little windy out here. For those of you who do not live here in Florida, we are at the beginning of March and it is absolutely awesome outside. Beautiful weather. Like I said, a tad bit windy, but hey, I'll take the wind. So again, we're at 1500 Surfside Boulevard. We are listed at $375,000. This is a 1963 home, 1,500 square foot, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, concrete block home. We are a corner lot, so we got 0.21 of an acre. AC is 2021, water heater 2020, pool filter 2022. We've got natural gas, Ionic Water Softener, and I'm just going to jump out here and show you the absolute best feature. Who wants to live in Florida without having an amazing pool in their backyard? So we've got some yard space on the side, plenty of room to lay out, cute little bar over there, and then we've got a nice sized pool. You could actually swim some laps in there. So we're going to take a look at the house, but I knew that the first thing you'd want to see is that pool. We're going to start with this kitchen because look at this kitchen. It is gorgeous. It's got beautiful stainless steel appliances. Look at that gas stove. That is a pretty gas stove. Look at that. Fancy, fancy. So we've got lots and lots of cabinets, gorgeous countertops. And look at this island. We got plenty of cabinets in there, nice butcher block. And we'll go ahead and spin ourselves around here. This is actually your dining room and your living room combo. Nice open concept here. So you can get a nice good look at that. And of course you can be sitting in your living room watching TV and looking at that pool. So again, we do have 4 bedrooms and we will start here. So we can see that we've actually got 2 beds in this one. So nice size bedroom here. And we'll hop next door. This is a bedroom. They're using it as another little sitting area, but as you can see, plenty of space. And then we've got our first bathroom right here. Nice updated countertop. Pretty tile in the bathroom. Some nice built-in shelves. Let me go past these closets right here. Everybody knows what a closet looks like, so those are not super exciting. Got another cabinet here in the kitchen that I missed. Look at that. All right, we're going to cruise over to the other side of the house. Now, this side of the house, we've got a bedroom here. Nice size bedroom, as you can see. Huge bed, nice 4-poster bed. And then we do have a shower and bathroom here. And then this one is like a Jack and Jill bathroom. It's linked to the other side here. So you do have another bedroom here. So here's your 4th bedroom. So we've cruised through the 4 bedrooms and then we go into our laundry room. So you do have inside laundry here, not out in the garage, which we don't see a ton here in these older homes. A lot of times it's out in the garage. So you do have inside laundry, lots of cabinets. And then they've converted the garage in this one, and look at all this extra space they've got in here because they converted it. So looks like they've got a sauna and some workout equipment, and they've got a ping pong table. So you can kind of get a good feel for how much space you have in here and the things that you could do with this if this was your home. Now we're going to cruise through one more time. And one more quick peek at that gorgeous pool that we've got here. And again, nice size. You don't see the bigger pools very often anymore. You see the little ones that everybody's building these days, and this one is gorgeous. So we'll find us a nice resting space here in the kitchen so that you can keep appreciating the beauty of this kitchen while I give us a little bit of a sort of recap. Again, we're at 1500 Surfside Boulevard here in Merritt Island, which is an amazing place to live. We were built in 1963, a little bit over 1,500 square foot. If you are interested in taking a look at this home in person, you'd like a real tour, or if you just have some questions, you can reach out to myself, Margaret Klein, or you can reach out to Kate Flack, again with LPT Realty, and she would love to show you the home or answer any questions about this gorgeous listing she has. Thank you so much for following along. We are signing off here in Merritt Island, Florida. Hope you're having an amazing day, and thanks so much. Bye-bye.